Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and today I got you guys some more Call of Duty content. Today we're going to be playing some COD Mobile, and in a few days Season 2 is going to be coming out. I believe it's 2 days, I think. Maybe even, yeah, 2 days, I think 23rd of February, maybe it actually be 22nd, I'm not sure. But the Battle Pass is saying 2 days right now, so that's when the new season of COD Mobile will come out. In today's video, I want to do a video before the new season comes out, because the new season comes out, we're going to be looking at the Maddox and everything like that. Which I believe you can get in Battle Royale, but I'm not going to go over that just yet. Also, I am in Battle Royale, in fact. Grandmaster 1 right now, so I'm so close getting the final skin. But yeah, let's check out what we're going to do in today's video then. So in today's video, guys, basically, I want to talk about these shotguns. These things need nerfing. These things are like crazy. Like, so far I'm using KRM, and this thing just demolishes people. Like, this thing is like one-hit kill no matter what, pretty much. This thing is crazy. So this is the build I've got right now, if you guys can see. I'm basically going to take it into a few games and try it out and see how good it actually is. So yeah, guys, give it a try. Make sure you press subscribe down below, and yeah, like the video, and yeah, let's get into this video. Alright guys, we're going into some hardpoint shipment. Let's give this a go. So we are actually using, like I said, the KRM, which is absolutely, you know, a crazy shotgun. So let's see how this goes, guys. This thing's actually insane. Oh my god. To try and get a nuke in COD Mobile. And I'm dead. Yeah, this is why these things need to be nerfed. Like, this is just... It's just insane. Oh my god. I literally got all my score trees right now. Wow, why am I on Predator Missile in this class? That's so gay. I don't want that. Napalm, we'll just put it in the middle. I'm almost dead, No, don't lay down. Look at this knife I got as well. I actually got a nuke, guys, I got a nuke. Get a knife, go. I'm so bad with knife. Oh, there we go. Let's get this nuke going. I'm just gonna die, God damn it. I wish it ended the lobby in this, but it doesn't, I think. I think it just, like, you know, kills the entire map out. Yeah, it's coming down. We got a nuke in COD Mobile, guys. I'm literally not even playing by the objective right now. If it doesn't kill everyone or doesn't change how the map looks, that's a shame. I can't hit. There we go. Hardpoint is so good with shotgun though, because they all come into like hardpoint, so literally just like, you know, spam kill with shotgun, you know. I just literally walked in there and killed someone with a cranbit knife. God damn it. And we won that game. We actually, Jesus Christ, them shotguns need nerfing. Like, yeah, we got to play a game, obviously. Right, guys, and we are on Nuketown. Let's see how the shotgun holds up in this. Oh, I've chosen the wrong loadout. Crap. Okay, just take up. Here we go. Yeah, man. Let's see how well we do this game, guys. Look at that. That was sweet. Oh my god, this thing literally destroys. They're gone. They really need to get like, really need to nerf this gun, man. Oh my days! Like they're nerfing some of the guns, which I don't think need a nerf in season 2. I think this thing needs a nerf. As long as you're accurate with it, this thing can destroy. Like then, not being very accurate, but that's when it like, you know, be bad. If you're accurate, then this thing can literally destroy. We're taking this win. We're taking this win. We need to actually get these dog tags to try and win this game. Last one. Ooh, let's go, and we've won this game. We won Nuketown as well. Yeah, shotguns need nerfing, Jesus Christ. Anyway guys, this is my best play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm going to do for the next video. Probably covering season 2 of COD Mobile, because I'm having a blast playing this game. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.